Okay guys, welcome back to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about the PS4, the PlayStation 4, and the topic is how can you reset it? How can you reset all of the content and settings and all the stuff that is in regards to the PlayStation? Well, of course, make sure that you are paired with the remote, and you can of course scroll through the games and whatnot, but go to the top menu where you get multiple things like PlayStation Plus, communities and stuff like that, but scroll all the way to the right to the settings, which looks like a briefcase, but just click on that and get inside. Now just scroll through all of the options and get to the bottom and tap on the one which is titled initialization. For whatever reason, it is under this section, so if you click on it, you have 3 additional options. So you can clear learning dictionary, you can restore default settings, and initialize PS4. So if you just click on clear learning dictionary, you can go ahead and do that. So you can clear it. Terms that were automatically added to the PS4 as you enter them will be deleted. So it's kind of maybe actually useful, but I want you to go to the second option, which is restored default settings. So if you just go ahead and click on that, it will ask you for the password. However, if you didn't change it, it's going to tell you that it's going to be the 4 zeros, which is going to be the default passcode. So just go through it and enter it like that. And the following settings will be restored to default values. So all of the accessibility, the networks, notifications, login settings, parental controls, sounds, and everything that is listed in here, the quick menu, internet browser, disk playback, everything. So if you're sure, go ahead and click on yes, and default settings restored, the PS4 will restart. So you're just gonna confirm it with the OK button, wait for the screen to go blue and restart as usual, like that. You just wait for the PS logo and everything. So once everything is done, you will get to the welcome page where you're supposed to connect the PlayStation remote through a cable to the actual device. So yeah, that's how you can basically reset all of these settings and all of the information on the PS4. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up and perhaps share it with some of your friends in case they actually need that. So hope you found it useful. As I said, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the later video. Peace out until then.